On August 12th, 2010, I woke up. It was a normal day, like every other day. I went to the dentist when I got the news. The dentist, he didn't hold back. He looked at me and he said, "You've got bruxism." That's when it hit me.
Bruxism is the grinding of teeth, often caused by stress. See, bruxism isn't something that you can heal with an injection or a monthly med. Either you get mental help or you're stuck with it for life. September 21st, year 2000. Just got home from school. I saw the letter in my parents' hands. I could tell by the expression on their face it was only one outcome. It was bruxism.
Some people would laugh. Some people would joke. Some people didn't know how to handle me. To some, I was a joke, a clown. To others, they just had pity on me. Some people would, all they knew how to say was, "I'm so sorry, I'm there for you." Other people would make jokes. "Hey James, what's going on, James? I heard your mouth is more grinding than an R. Kelly concert." And other people, they wouldn't even look at me.
Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night, 2, 3 in the morning, because my teeth grinding is just woken me up. And all these questions are coming to my mind. You know, what's my wife gonna think about this? Am I gonna pass it on to my children? How long are my teeth gonna stay in my mouth? It scares me. I have a hard time going to sleep after that.
Hi, I'm Chad Thurman. With modern advances in dental technology, bruxism can be overcome. It's not the 1940s anymore. We can overcome this disease together. With a little bit of faith, a little bit of fluoride, maybe just a little bit of fun.